Okay, number 181 in your classwork for quadratic equations asks, the product of two consecutive odd integers is 255, and we want to find the integers. So, when we have even numbers, right, we denote even numbers by 2 times x, where x is any positive integer, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. And if I wanted a sequence of odd numbers, right, if odd numbers are all of the numbers between the even numbers, then if I just add a 1 to the even numbers, then I would get any odd number that I would want. So the only thing is, right, I can start now from x equals 0, because that would give me 1. So my odd numbers now can start from x equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And I write them as 2x plus 1. And so two consecutive odd integers would be this, 2x plus 1. And then if I used the next odd integer, that would be denoted by x plus 1, which would be like the next term in the sequence. So my next odd number would be 2 times x plus 1 plus 1. So that'd be 2x plus 2 plus 1, which would be 2x plus 3. And so the product of my first odd integer and my second odd integer is equal to 255. So I have 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 3 equals 255. So I have 4x squared plus 6x plus 2x, which is 8x plus 3 equals 255. Then moving this 255 over, I have 4x squared plus 8x minus 252 is equal to 0. Then if I divide by 4, I can get x squared plus 2x minus 63 equals 0. And I can factor this with plus 9 and negative 7. So if I use x plus 9 and x minus 7 is equal to 0, right? Plus 9 and negative 7 multiply to negative 63, but add to positive 2. So my roots here would be x equals negative 9 and x equals 7. And so we could have odd integers where my x is equal to negative 9 or 7. And this would give me two scenarios. One where 1x is negative 9. And so my first odd number would be 2x plus 1, which is 2 times negative 9, which is negative 18, plus 1, which is negative 17. And then my second odd number would be 2x plus 3, right? And so this would be 2 times negative 9, which is negative 18, plus 3, which is negative 15. So this negative 17 times negative 15 does indeed give me 255. So my first set of possibilities is negative 17 and negative 15. And my second set of possibilities is using this 7 here. So if I use 7 as my x, then my first odd number would be 2 times 7 plus 1, which is 14 plus 1 is 15. And then it could also be 2 times 7 plus 3, which would be 17. So my second set is 15 and 17. And so these are the integers that you can have in order for them to multiply to 255.